what's new in TurboCAD 2023. Block palette improvement. Insert block into model space from block palette. Change rotation Z of the block from block palette options to 45 and insert updated block to model space. Now change rotation Z to 90 and insert updated block to model space. Again, go to block palette options, change rotation Z to 0 and change scale X and scale Y to 0.5, then insert resultant block to model space. Now this time change the scale X and scale Y to 2 and insert updated block to model space again. Thanks for watching.